will fall. And I will keep up. Don't go down the bear hole.
I won't go down the bear hole.
Just go up here. That's me.
Alright, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I missed.
You didn't miss. You just need a little help. Ugh. There you go. No problem. Which way are you going to go? Which way now?
How about go fast?
Come here. Come forward. Push. Push. There you go. There you go. There's a big bumpy right here. A big bump. Gotta be careful.
Be careful.
You did be careful. You were fine. Nothing happened.
A worm.
A worm?
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably dead.
Let's go past him.
Let's go past him.
I passed him.
You did pass him. That's pretty good.
Well, I'm going to go past all the jeep. They got me.
What are you going to do?
Nothing.
Where do you want to go?
I'll go down the hill.
Push. Are you on a bump?
Yeah.
Ready? Push. That help?
Yeah.
Alright. How you doing?
Good.
How you like your new helmet?
Good.
Who's on your shirt?
I'll take the seat.
R2-D2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That way.
Alright, say goodbye.